Hello everyone, welcome back to NoTech. In this video, we can see how to handle the confirmation alerts in Selenium. Let's get started. So this is the web page. So here we have confirm dialog box. So click on this button. So it will show you the text did you call me, and here we have OK and cancel button. In symbol alert we have only OK button. So in confirmation alert we have OK as well as cancel button. If you click OK, you will get the message user clicked OK, and if you click cancel you will get the message as user clicked cancel. So let's see how to handle this. Let's write the script. Go to your package, right click, select new, and then select class. Here give the class name confirmation alert, and then select this checkbox and click on finish button. Now first let's launch the browser. WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver. Then import the WebDriver and Firefox driver. And then open the web page driver.get. Copy this URL and paste here. Now we need to identify the element. So go to the web page, right click from this button, since we are clicking on this button, and select inspect element, and here identify the button element. So here we have ID and name. We can use the ID to find the element. Go to the script. Now write web element. Give the variable name as confirm alert. Equal to driver dot find element by dot ID, open bracket double quotes. So copy this ID value and paste here, a semicolon, and then import the web element. Now we need to click this button. So this confirm alert dot click. Now let's run the script and check. Right click, run as Java application. Yeah, so now we got the confirm alert box. Now we need to decide whether we need to click the OK button or cancel button. So let's write the script for this. In Selenium, to handle the alerts, we have an interface called alert. So this is the alert interface. You can see the icon I. So that means it's an interface. So now give any variable name. I am giving the name as confirm popup equal to. Now even after running the script, now the control will be in the main web page. So we need to switch the control from the main web page to this pop-up. So for that we need to call the driver dot switch to dot, and we have a function in Selenium called alert. So now the control will be switched from the main web page to the pop-up, and then so here we need to either click the OK button or cancel button. In symbol alert we saw to accept the we have a function called accept of to click on the OK button. So here we have two functions. So first let's see how to click the OK button. So now we need to call this variable dot accept of. Now this will click the OK button. Let's run the script. So the script ran very fast. I am adding a delay, so it will be easy to understand. Thread.sleep of 5 seconds. So click this error message and add the throws declaration. I am running the script again. So after 5 seconds, the OK button will be clicked. Here you can see user clicked OK button. Now let's see what will happen if we how to click the cancel button. So I am commenting this line, confirm popup dot accept of. So again call the same variable dot. Here we have another function dismiss off. So this will click the cancel button. So let's run the same script again. Now the cancel button is clicked. So this is our entire script. So let me explain the script again. So first we need to launch the browser, then open the web page where we need to perform the script. So then we need to identify the element. So here I am identifying the element by ID. So this is the element ID. Then we are clicking on that button. Just click on this button. Now then, so to handle the alerts, we are using the alert interface and create a variable and then switch the control from the main web page to the alert window. Driver dot switch to that alert window. Then based on our requirement, so if we need to click on the OK button, we need to write this variable dot accept, and if you want to cancel the pop-up, we need to write confirm pop-up dot dismiss. Hope you understand this. If you have any clarification, please mention in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe to NoteTech. Thank you.